Good morning, everyone. I hope you people are good. Let's start today's topic. Your topic is 10 more and 10 less. Pages number 63 and 64 of your learner's book. So take out your learner's book. Page number 63. Your learning objectives are students will be able to develop their understanding of decade numbers and will be able to work out values 10 more and 10 less than a given value. What are the decade numbers? Decade numbers are multiples of 10. For example, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and so on. Look at here. Here are also some colorful decade number. Find out where is 10. Yes, here is the 10, 20, 30, 40. Here is 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So keep adding 10 numbers. These all numbers are the multiples of 10. So decade numbers comes like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Add 10, then 80 come. Add 10, then 90 come. Add 10, then 100 come. See? When we will add 10 in 70, 80 will come. When we will add 10 in 80, 90 will come. When we will add 10 in 90, 100 will come. Add 10 in 100, 110 will come. Now add 10 more, 1 in 110, 120 will come. These all are the decade numbers and multiples of tens. Now look at here. First of all, we will learn one more and one less. One more means you have to add the one number, and one less means you have to subtract one number. See, the main number is 7. Let me take out my pen now. Okay, the main number is 7. What is 1 more than 7? What is the number? Yes, that is 8. When we will add 1 in 7, like 7 plus 1 make 8. So 1 more than 7 is 8. Okay, now what is the 1 less than 7? 1 less than 7 means you have to subtract one number from 7, like 7 minus 1. What is the answer? 6. 1 more means you have to add the one number, and 1 less means you have to subtract the one number. Is this clear now? Let's move to the next one slide. Yes, here are some numbers. 1 more mean plus, 1 less mean minus. So first of all, find what are 1 more than 10. Let me take out my pen now. Okay, now. What is 1 more than 10? You are going to add the one number in 10. Like 10 plus 1 make 11. Yes, very good. Now add the one number in 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now add the one number in 7. What will come? 8. One number in 2. What is the answer? 3. Add 1 in 8. Like 8 plus 1. That is 9. Now 1 plus 1 make 2. 3 plus 1 make 4. 9 plus 1 make 10. So here what we have add all in these numbers? We had plus 1. Okay, we add the 1 in all these numbers. So answer has come. Now look at the other one side. 1 less. This means you have to subtract the one number. Fine. 1 minus 1 is 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. You have to subtract the one number from the each number. 9 minus 1 is 8. You can also count back one number. Fine. When you are going to add the number, you will count forward. And when you are going to subtract the number, you can count back, like 6 minus 1. Which number is before 6? That is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. 10 minus 1 is 9. 2 minus 1 is 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. So plus 1, 1 more. Minus 1 is 1 less. Is this clear now? Let's move to the next one slide. Let me erase my work. Yes, here are some more numbers. Now we are going to add one more or a one less, like add and subtract, using this one number line. Can you see at the end there are the number line? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Using this one number line, we can find out one more and one less. So you are going to add one number in 6, and then you are going to subtract one number from 6. Now let's solve it. Yes. Okay. They have choose 8, 9 and 5. Okay, we are going to find out the answer. What is 1 more than 8? Look at here, where is the 8 in on number line? Here is the 8. Now the 1 more than 8 is 9. We will add 1 in 8. The answer will come 9. So here we will write it on the 9. Okay. Which number is before 8? That is 7. Look at here, I have changed the color. See, this is before 8. Which number is this one? 7. So this is 1 less than 8. 9 is 1 more than 8 and 7 is 1 less than 8. Now move to the next one. Where is the 9 on number line? Here is the 9. Now let me change the color. Now which number is after the 9? That is 10. So this means 9 plus 1 is 10. That is 1 more than 9. Which number is before 9? That is 8. So 9 minus 1 is 8. Now where is the 5 on number line? Here is the 5. See which number is after the 5? That is 6. So here you will write on the 6. Which number is before the 5? That is 4. So 1 less than 5 is 4. Now 1 more than 8 is 9. 1 less than 8 is 7. 1 more than 9 is 10. 1 less than 9 is 8. 1 more than 5 is 6. 1 less than 5 is 4. This is how you will find out the answer. Now let me erase my artwork. Okay, look at this one slide. Now on this one slide, we are going to tell 10 more and 10 less. Okay, the main number is 34. Okay, 34, 10 more than 34 is 44. You are going to add the 10 in 34. See, look at here, 34. We are going to add the 10. What is the answer? That is 44. Yes. Now 10 less than 34 is, see, look at here, 34 minus 10. That is, yes, look at here, that is 24. Now 10 more than 34 is 44 and 10 less than is 34 is 24. Now erase this one rough work. Move to the next number now. That is 48. Which number is 10 more than 48? That is 58. See, we have just changed the tens number. In 48, 4 is tens, 8 is 0, ones. 8 is ones, 4 is tens. So when we will add the 10 in 48, the answer will come 58. Now, what is the answer? 10 less than 48, that is 38. Now you are going to subtract the 10 from 48 like this. When we will subtract the 10 from 48, the answer will come 38. So answer is 38. 10 more than 34 is 44. 10 less than 34 is 24. And the 10 more than 48 is 58. And the 10 less than 38 is 48 is 38. Here you have to add the number. More means you have to add the 10 and less means you have to subtract the 10. Here again you add the 10 in 48, the answer will come 58, and when you are going to subtract the 10 from 48, the answer will come 38. Yes, very good. Now move to the next one. Let me erase my rough work now. Yes, look at this one. Find the numbers. Here we are going to find the numbers. We will work out over here. See, on this one slide, we will add 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, 1 less. We will write it down all the answers together. Fine. And the number is 38. Now let me solve this one. These all slides are for your practice. Now when we are going to add the 10 more in 38, what is the answer? Only the tens number will change, that is 48. When we are going to subtract the 10 from 38, only the tens number will change, that is 28. When we are going to add the 1 number in 38, that is 39. And 1 less than 38 is 37. Is this clear now? Okay. Now I am going to erase my this one work and we are going to solve the 62 now. We have done 38. Now move to the 62. Now in 62, when we are going to add the 10 in 62, only the 6 will change. That tens number will change. That will go on 72. And when we are going to subtract the 10 from 62, the answer will come 52. Now, when we are going to add the 1 in 62, the answer will come 63. And when we are going to subtract the 1 from 62, what is the answer? Very good. You are right. The answer is 61. Now, we have done 62. Now, move to the next one now. Now, we have done 38. We have done 62. Now, move to the 50. Okay. Add 10 in 50, the answer is 60. Subtract 10 from 50, answer is 40. And when we are going to add the 1 number in 50, what is the answer? Very good, 51. And when we are going to subtract the 1 from 50, that is 49. Subtract 1 from 50, 49 will come. Add the 1 in 50, 51 will come. Fine. Now move to the next one slide now. First complete the next one number, that is 18. Add the 10 in 18. What is the answer? 28. When we are going to subtract the 10 from 18, what is the answer? 10. Very good. Okay, now add 1 in 18, 19 will come. Subtract 1 from 18, 17 will come. Is this clear now? Okay, now 44. Add 10 in 44. What is the answer? 54. And 10 less mean you have to subtract, that is 34. 1 add in 44. 44 plus 1 is 45. 44 minus 1 is 43. Now the last number is, when we are going to add the 10 in 79, the answer will come 89. When we are going to subtract the 10 from 79, the answer will come 69. Add the 1 in 79, the answer is 80. When we are going to subtract the 1 from 79, the answer is 78. Now these all slides were for your practice. Now you can practice these ones, so it will be very easier for you. You should know how to subtract the 10 from the numbers, and how to add and how to subtract 10 from each number, and how to add and how to subtract 1 from each number. Let me erase my word of work now. Now your page number 63 of your learner's book. Open the learner book, put the date and day. Yes, your day is Thursday. The middle of your page, write down classwork, and your date is 1st April 2021. With very neat writing, put date and day on this one page and underline it also. Is this clear? Your writing should be very neat. Now look at this one page. This is the page number 63. Here we make the number factory. The number factory means we are going to put a 1 number in the factory number and the answer will come from the other side. For example, look at here. Look at the first one. Yes, inside this one there was 3. We add 1 more number in it. What the answer come? 4. Because 3 plus 1 make 4. Okay, if the inside the factory there is the 3 number 3, and we are going to subtract the 1 number from 3, what is the answer? What output will come? 2, because 3 minus 1 is 2. When we add 1 in 3, answer will come 4, and when we are going to subtract from 3, the answer will come 2. Now move to the next one. Yes, remember that count on to find more and count back to find less. I have told you before that when you are going to add the 1 more number, this means you are going to count on. And when you are going to make the less number, you are going to count back. For subtraction, you will count back, and for the addition, you will count on. Okay, look at here. Yes, there is the main number 7. Yes, when we are going to add the 1 in 7, what answer will come? 8. 8 is 1 more than 7, and 7 is less than 8. When we are going to put the 3 in the machine number machine, and we are going to add the 1 more number in it, what the answer will come? 3 plus 1 make 4. The answer will come 4. Look at this one bar. Count how many boxes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 boxes are there. And when we are going to subtract the 1 box, count the boxes now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When we are going to cut the this one box from here, because we are going to find out the answer from the 1 less number, the answer will come 7. Is this clear? And when we are going to add the 1 more number, this means you are going to add the 1 more number in it. So that means 7 plus 1 is 8. Is this clear now? Now move to the next one. Let me erase this one work now. Yes, first of all, move to the this one page 63. Let's find out this one question with me. Then at the end I will show you the full page, solved page. Okay, look at this one question. Read this one question. Put these numbers into machine. What numbers come out? Yes, if we will put the 10 in this one machine, and what is the 10? 1 more than? 1 more mean you are going to add the 1 number in 10. What will be the answer? 11. Very good. 10 plus 1 make 11. Okay, what is the answer when we will put the 25 in this one machine and we are going to add the 1 more number? What is the 1 more than 25? That is 26. Very good. Now when we will put the 30 in the machine, and what is the answer for 1 more than 30? Like 30 plus 1. What is the answer? Very good. 31. Now move to the 17 now. Yes, what is 17 plus 1? 1 more than 17 is 18. Very good. Now move to number 4. Yes, what is the answer? 1 more than 4. That is 5. Very good. Okay, 1 more than 14 is 15. These all answers are 1 more than. 1 more than mean add the 1 in it plus 1. Keep adding one number one by one from these numbers. Add all these one in all these numbers one by one and the answer will come. Okay, let me erase this one rough work now. Okay, now the second part. Now first we have add the 1 in it. Now we are going to subtract the 1 from these numbers. When we will subtract 1 from 10, like 10 minus 1 is 9. Very good. When we are going to subtract the 1 from 25, what is the answer? Very good, 24. When we are going to subtract the 1 from 30, what is the answer? Yes, very good, 29. Now subtract 1 from 17. 17 minus 1. 1 less mean you are going to subtract the 1 from these numbers. 17 minus 1 is 16. Okay, now move to the 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Very good. And 14 minus 1 is 13. Very good. Now this is how you can find out the answer for one more number and one less number. Let me erase this one rough work. Now here is the final look of your page. Look at the solved page number 63. See, here I have written the answer for one more number. Keep adding one number. 10 plus 1, 25 plus 1, 30 plus 1, 17 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 14 plus 1. And for the less number, one less number, we are going to subtract the one number from these numbers. Like 10 minus 1, 25 minus 1, 30 minus 1, 17 minus 1, 4 minus 1 and 14 minus 1. Here are the answers. This is how you will solve this one page. Make a table over here and keep adding one number first and then subtract the one number from all these numbers one by one and write down the answer. Is this clear? Now move to the next one. Yes, this is your page number 64. In the middle of your page number 64, just put the classwork. Yes, here are more numbers. Now let's solve with me. Put these numbers into each machine and find out the answers. When we will put the 10 in this one first one machine, 10 more means you are going to add the 10 in 10. Like 10 plus 10 make 20. When we are going to add the 10 in 25, what will come? 35. When we are going to put the 30 in the machine and we are going to add the 10 in 30, what is the answer? 40. Okay, when we will put the 17 in machine and we are going to add the 10 more number in it, what is the answer? 17 plus 10 is 28. And when we are going to put the 4 in the machine and we are going to add the 10 more number in it, what is the answer? 14. And the last number is 14. When we will put the 14 in this one machine and we are going to add the 10 number in it, what is the answer? That is 24. Now these all answers are when we are going to add the 10 in each numbers. Is this clear? Now erase my rough work. Move to the next one part. This one part. Now we will subtract the 10 from each number one by one. When we are going to subtract the 10 from 10, the answer is 0. When we will subtract the 10 from 25, 15 will come. When we are going to subtract the 10 from 30, 20 will come. And when we will subtract the 10 from 17, what is the answer? 10. Okay, look at this one, 4 number. 4 is the less than 10. So we are not able to subtract the 10 from the 4. Fine, so you will leave this one number. Okay, because the 4 is less than 10. From the small number, we cannot subtract the big number. Is this clear? So you will not write down the answer for 4. Okay, now subtract the 10 from 14. What is the answer? 4 is the answer. Is this clear now? Now look at the final look of the page. Yes, look at here. Here is the final look of your page. Yes. Make this one table. Subtract the 10 from each number and add the 10 from each number. When we first keep adding the 10 in each number and write down the answer, and at the end, in second one part, you will subtract the 10 from each number and write down the answer. Okay, what we have done today, I have told you what are the decade numbers. These are the multiples of 10s. Then we add the one number in each number and the one less and one more, mean plus 1 and minus 1. We add the 1 in each number and then subtract 1 from each number. That means 1 more and 1 less. Then we have done how to subtract 10 more and add 10 more and subtract 10 less. Fine, this is almost addition and subtraction. Okay, is this clear? Now we have done the pages number 63 and 64 of the learner book. Okay, that is it for today. Thank you. Goodbye. Stay home. Stay safe.